हेलो, रुवेदा मैम। रुवेदा मैम।
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
ओके ओके, प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
Yes. Yes, children, तो लास्ट क्लास में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? मवेशी के बारे में पढ़ा था. Today we'll read the lesson completely, okay? So I think we have completed all the important points and introduction we have seen. And today we are just going to read. Yes, very good. Mute yourself. Today we are going to just read it. दक्षिण भारत में मदुरई शहर का नाम प्रसिद्ध है.
आज बहुत ब्रेक हो रही है। रुवेदा मैम। रुवेदा मैम। रुवेदा मैम,
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
आवाज बहुत ब्रेक हो रही है।
Ma'am, your voice
मैं
is now
सिस्टम से कर रही हूँ.
Yes, I told already. Children, please kindly mute yourself, dear.
Others, all of you please mute. All of you please mute yourself. दक्षिण भारत में मदुरई शहर का नाम बहुत प्रसिद्ध है. प्रसिद्ध मीन्स व्हाट? प्रसिद्ध मीन्स फेमस. तमिलनाडु राज्य में चेन्नई का नंबर पहला है. तमिलनाडु राज्य में, तमिलनाडु स्टेट, इन तमिलनाडु स्टेट चेन्नई का नंबर, चेन्नई इज इन फर्स्ट पोजीशन. पहला नंबर पहला है. नंबर ऑलरेडी इंग्लिश वर्ड. नंबर पहला है. पहला मीन्स फर्स्ट, और उसके बाद है मदुरई का. एंड द सेकेंड इज मदुरई, एंड द सेकेंड was मदुरई. City famous in Tamil Nadu after Chennai. यह वैगई नदी के किनारे, किनारे मीन्स इन द कॉर्नर, वैगई नदी के किनारे बसा हुआ है. बसा हुआ मीन्स लोकेटेड, बसा हुआ है. यह शहर, दिस सिटी तमिलनाडु के प्राचीन शहरों में, प्राचीन शहरों मीन्स ओल्ड सिटी, प्राचीन शहरों में एक है. प्राचीन शहरों में एक है. इट इज वन अमॉन्ग द ओल्डेस्ट सिटी. मदुरई के बारे में, मदुरई के बारे में, अबाउट मदुरई कई पौराणिक कथाएं हैं. कई पौराणिक कथाएं मीन्स मेनी स्टोरीज, ओल्ड स्टोरीज. पौराणिक मीन्स ओल्ड स्टोरीज, पौराणिक कथाएं हैं. पांड्य वंश, दैट इज पांड्या फैमिली की एक कुमारी. राजकुमारी मीन्स व्हाट इज राजकुमारी? प्रिंसेस. राजकुमारी किसकी बेटी है? Whose daughter is she? King's daughter is called as princess. Yes, Malaya Dhwaj. Very good. Malaya Dhwaj. Malaya Dhwaj Pandya की पुत्री. Whose daughter she is? She is daughter of Malaya Dhwaj Pandya. Yes, Litika, why are you sending the time now? ने शिवाजी tapasya means she prays, she meditates, she is a devotee, not she is a devotee of शिवजी करके उनसे विवाह कर लिया. विवाह कर लिया। She oh, second.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
1 minute, 1 minute. Please wait for a minute.
Children, kindly please mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, can you hear me now? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear है?
Yes, ma'am, you are clear. Yes, ma'am, it's clear. Ma'am, ma'am, it is clear only.
Okay, okay. तो उसने विवाह कर लिया. She married. One second, please. Yes. She got married with Shivji Lord Shiva और वे दोनों ही मदुरई शहर पर राज्य चलाते हैं. They ruled the city. Okay. ऐसा माना जाता है means it is believed like that. Okay. It is believed like that. पांड्य राज्य जब उन्नत दशा में था, when it was progressing, when the Pandya Rajya, Pandya kingdom was progressing, was developing. Unnat means development. Unnat means what? Development. उस समय मदुरई का तमिल संगम. तो क्या हुआ था उस समय? तमिल संगम हुआ था. ओके, यू जस्ट रिमेम्बर द इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. Okay, reading about if it is difficult, then you can just read the important points, whatever you know. Okay, whatever is easy for you. तो उस समय मदुरई में क्या हुआ था? तमिल संगम बड़ी अच्छी हालात में था. It was in a good condition. तमिल संगम विद्वानों means what is vidwano? Tell me in chat box. Vidwan means what? Children, vidwan means what? Tell me in the chat box. Intelligent. Very good, Guru Prasad. Very good. Educated people, intelligent people. Yes. की एक सभा था. एक means scholars. Very good. एक means what is ek? One. Very good.
Color, ma'am. One.
Ek means one, not color. Rang means color. Okay. Sabha tha. Sabha. There was one sabha. There was one sabha. Pratiksha, mute yourself. Pratiksha, your voice is so loud. Please mute yourself. So this sabha was there. Association was there. A Tamil Sangham was there. जिसमें उस समय के नए मीन्स न्यू. उस समय के न्यू राइटर्स, न्यू books. Okay, new books whichever was written, रचे जाने वाले सभी means all तमिल ग्रंथ means literature, the books. पढ़कर, उसे रीड कर कर, पढ़कर सुनाए जाते थे, सुनाए जाते थे. It was read and it was the, see, if a group is formed, if a meeting is formed, everybody will be sitting and new literature books, whichever is written, they will read those books and everybody will listen to it. And if it is very good, then only they will give approval. Okay, यहाँ means here. स्वीकृत होने पर, स्वीकृत means approved, स्वीकृत means what? Approved. यहाँ स्वीकृत होने पर, अप्रूव करने पर, यस, होने पर कि ये ग्रंथ, होने पर कि ये ग्रंथ उत्तम, उत्तम means good, उत्तम means what? Good. Children, when I am saying some meanings, please underline in your textbook and write the meanings there, okay, with pencil. उत्तम माने जाते थे, उत्तम माने जाते थे, माने जाते थे means it was.
Ma'am, I write a ma'am.
Pratiksha, please mute yourself, Pratiksha. See, when I am saying the meanings, you underline in your book and write the meanings, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, उत्तम माने जाते थे. They were considered as very good books. प्रसिद्ध, प्रसिद्ध means famous. प्रसिद्ध means what? Famous. प्रसिद्ध means famous. प्रसिद्ध Tamil नीति ग्रंथ. नीति ग्रंथ means the literature book which is giving all kinds of morals. That is called as Tirukkural. Tiru after कमे उ की मात्रा कु र ल, तिरुकुरल. इसी संघ से means in from this Tamil Sangham only it got approved, स्वीकृत होकर जनता के हाथों में आया था. स्वीकृत होकर जनता के हाथों, जनता means what? People. जनता means people, common people. हाथ, हाथ means what? What is हाथ? Hand. Okay. जनता के हाथों में आया था. पांड्य राजाओं की अवनति, अवनति के बाद, अवनति means उन्नति means development. Yes, unnati means, don't give annotation request, Dikshita. Avanati means opposite of development. That is, the growth will be less. There is no growth. Yes, progress नहीं है. Less progress. There is no progress. के बाद यह संघ भी मिट सा गया था. मिट सा means vanish. What happened? It was vanishing slowly. It was vanishing slowly. Okay. It was like delete. No. It was like going away. It was like slowly disappearing. Okay, it was like slowly disappearing, vanish.
Ma'am,
Sorry, I couldn't write it.
Ma'am.
Can you please mute yourself?
See, whenever I am writing, please write it, children. I think if it is going now, it is very difficult to write it back. I'm very sorry. I will give you the meanings in notes also, okay? Vanish. It vanishes from there. अभी मीन्स अभी 50-60 वर्ष पहले. 50 मीन्स 50. 50 means 50 and 60 means 60. 50-60 वर्ष पहले. वर्ष means year. Years पहले means before. Before 50 to 60 years. श्री पांडितुरई तेवर ने इस संघ को फिर से शुरू किया मीन्स स्टार्टेड. शुरू मीन्स स्टार्ट. स्टार्टेड. शुरू मीन्स टू स्टार्ट. शुरू किया. अगेन दे स्टार्टेड दिस. जो अब भी चल रहा है, which is going on till now. चल रहा है. चलना means walk, right? तो चल रहा है, it is going on. चल रहा है, which is going on till now. The Tamil Sangam is still there. ऐसा कहने में means by telling in this way, कोई अतियुक्ति means no doubt. अतियुक्ति means doubt. Doubt नहीं means what? Doubt नहीं, no doubt. There is no doubt. Yes, no doubt. होगी कि Tamil भाषा means what is भाषा? What is भाषा? Language. Very good. भाषा का जन्म स्थान मदुरई है. जन्म स्थान means Janmasthan means what? Birthplace.
Birthplace, ma'am.
Yes, Janma means birth, Sthan means place. Janmasthan Madurai hai. Janma means birth and Sthan means place. Okay? Place. Clear, children? Is there any doubts in this paragraph? Shall I move to the next paragraph now for reading? Yes. Now we are going into Tirumalai Nayak Mahal. आसमान को छूने वाले गोपुर. आसमान means what? आसमान means sky. Very good. आसमान means sky. आसमान को छूने वाले. What is छूने वाले? Touch. छूना means to touch. Very good. To touch. आसमान को छूने वाले गोपुर. Sky touching gopuram, that is gopur. Sundar, beautiful. Shilpakala means the artwork. Ka parichay means introduction. Who is giving those introduction? Who is showing the Shilpakala art? Khamba. Parichay dene wale. Khambon par. Khamba means, what is khamba? Pillar. Very good. Pillar. सुंदर शिल्प कला का परिचय देने वाले खंभों पर टिके मंडप means mandabam. So mandabam is standing on what? It is there on the pillars, with the help of pillars only. So there is no wall for support. With the help of pillars only, the whole mandabam is standing. Asankhya means you know, right? Very good. Uncountable. Seedhiyan, steps. Say ghira means surrounded by a mandir ka talab. See, around the mandir ka talab, you have seen the column in the temples.
how will you reach the column? You will go by steps, right? You will get down to the column by steps. Yes, to the pond. तालाब को कैसे जाते हैं? सीढ़ियों से जाते हैं. तो असंख्य सीढ़ियों से घिरा मंदिर का तालाब. मंदिर means what? Temple. मंदिर means temple. Very good. ये सब मदुरई के मीनाक्षी मंदिर की बढ़ाई के चिन्ह है. बढ़ाई के चिन्ह है. इट इज इन द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ मीनाक्षी मंदिर. दिस शोज ऑल द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ मीनाक्षी मंदिर. पांड्यों के बाद राज करने वाले. पांड्या, आफ्टर पांड्यास, who was ruling this city? Nayak Vansh. So Nayakar people were ruling this kingdom. Who has unmuted, children? Okay, Nayak Vansh, Nayakar people ke raja. The king's name is Tirumalai Nayak. Okay. Yogesh, please mute yourself. Okay. So Pandya, after Pandya Vansh, after Pandya family, Nayakar Vansh ruled this city. So this name has come. That Raja's name is Tirumalai Nayak. So this building, this mandapam has also kept the Raja's name, that is Tirumalai Nayak Mahal. में कई बड़ी इमारतें बनवाई. इमारतें means what? इमारतें
Building, ma'am. Imarat means building, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not audible. Your voice is not audible. Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am. Ma'am, are you there?
Please mute yourself, all of you. Please mute yourself.
Can you hear me now, ma'am? Can you hear me now, ma'am? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear
Yes.
you.
Children, there is some network problem. Please do not unmute, children. If you unmute, the network problem will increase. Okay? Okay, now. शहर से 4-5 किलोमीटर 4-5 किलोमीटर के बाद क्या है?
4 to 5 kilometer, ma'am.
हाँ, क्या है 4 to 5 किलोमीटर के बाद? What is there after 4 to 5 kilometer? Tirumalai Nayak. No. From Tirumalai. Very good, Mahati.
Talab.
Not Nadi. Talab. Nadi English में river है. It is तालाब के फासले पर, in the distance of. Pratiksha, mute yourself, Pratiksha. Sabarish, mute yourself.
Natti.
It is not Nadi. Nadi means it is river. We are not talking about river. We are talking about lake or a pond. That is तालाब. बहुत बड़ा तालाब है. There is a big तालाब. मदुरई के दर्शनीय स्थलों में. दर्शनीय स्थल means what? What is दर्शनीय स्थल? Very good. Tourist place. में यह भी एक है. There are so many tourist places in Madurai, but this is one of the famous tourist places in Madurai. Okay. Yes. Any doubts in this paragraph, children? I think you are very sure about this paragraph. You have understood very much this paragraph, right? No doubts? Okay.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, now what is this? Now we are going to see what is in the west. Paschim में क्या है और in the east पूरब में क्या है. We are going to see what is in the west and what is in the east. मदुरई बहुत बड़ा और मदुरई, can you hear my voice? Yes. मदुरई बहुत बड़ा और समृद्ध मदुरई बहुत बड़ा और समृद्ध व्यापारिक केंद्र है. व्यापारिक केंद्र means it is a very famous place and a big place for business. शहर के पश्चिम means west. In the west of the city, पश्चिम की तरफ चेर means केरला चेर. शहर के पश्चिम की तरफ in the west of the city there is चेर means केरला. केरल राज्य की सीमा बनने वाली पहाड़ियों की पंक्तियां हैं और there are mountains. Yes, पहाड़ means mountains. Okay, and the पहाड़ियां means many mountains. Mountains are there, line of mountains. Okay, और पूरब में थोड़ी ही दूर, थोड़ा means very few distance. Okay, in a very few distance what is there? समुद्र है. समुद्र means sea. What is there? समुद्र है. There is a sea. Okay, वहां means there. यहाँ means here. वहां के तोंडी, you know right? तोंडी, yes, तोंडी नामक स्थान से. स्थान means place. नामक means named. तोंडी named place is there for what? समुद्री व्यापार भी चलता था. What happens there? समुद्री व्यापार. What all types of samudri vyapar was happening there. Yes? Any doubts here in this paragraph? All types of samudri vyapar was happening here. No doubts? Next. Now, what is the occupation here? We have already seen weaving is the occupation here. Madurai में बुनाई means, one second children, weaving. बुनाई means weaving. मदुरई में बुनाई का पेशा means occupation अधिक चलता है. So what is the famous occupation here is बुनाई, weaving. Weaving is a famous occupation. Yes. Weaving. Weaving is a famous occupation. कुछ अरसे पहले, अरसे means some years before, पहले तक मदुरई की चुनरी की साड़ियाँ, मदुरई की चुनरी की साड़ियाँ, the cotton sarees in Madurai, the cotton sarees भारत भर में across India, it was mashhoor. Mashhoor means famous. Mashhoor means what? Famous. It was very famous in India. What is famous? The cotton sarees of Madurai was very famous in India, across India. आजकल, nowadays, भी हथकरघे, हथ means हाथ means hand, and karghe means loom. Handlooms, very good. Handloom. Kargha means loom. हथकरघे के बने मदुरई के कपड़े, Madurai clothes were sent to which country? Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. आदि जगहों को means to the other places. बहुत भेजे जाते हैं. They were sent to Sri Lanka and other places. मदुरई में कई बड़ी means big, प्रसिद्ध, famous मिले भी हैं. मिल MILL, mills. You know mills, right? So many mills are there, like cotton mills, rice mill, wheat mill, like this. So many mills are there in Madurai. Yes? So we'll move on to the next paragraph. तो यहाँ पे देखिए, साल भर whole year, साल वर्ष means year, साल भर means the whole year, लाखों की संख्या में, in lakhs of people who come